Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making some egg and cheese muffins. This is a very simple yet very delicious recipe which can be made at any point of the day. It can be made in breakfast, lunch, or even as just a little snack. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for an egg muffin recipe we will need 2 eggs, 20 grams of butter, 2 muffins, 2 cheese slices, a handful of spring onion, and then half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. So we will get a small pan, put it on a medium flame, and then we will be using this egg mould. We'll add in around half a teaspoon of butter. Make sure that it goes all around so that the egg doesn't stick. We'll add in the egg. Make sure that you get all the egg in the mould. And then we're just going to let it cook a little bit. If you want, you can just fidget it around so you don't have all of your yolk together. Then add in pepper and salt to your taste. So once it's been a bit cooked for around a minute, we're going to take off our metal ring and we're just going to flip it over like this. As you can see, it's got a nice golden brown colour now. So you can cook this as much as you like. So then once it's nicely cooked, we're just going to put our cheese slice onto it. We've let it cook for another minute, and whilst we were doing this, we've took our muffins and we've just cut them in half like this. Make sure to get it as even as possible, and then we're just going to grill it a bit. You may want to use a little bit of butter. And then we are going to take our muffins, put in our cheese egg, and just make a muffin out like this. Next we are going to make our savoury muffin. So for this we'll again add in half a teaspoon of butter. Then we'll add in our egg, and it's around about the same recipe, except this time we will be adding in our spring onion, or you can add in any vegetable of your choice as well. So we're just going to twiddle around with the yolk again, then add in salt and pepper to taste. Then we'll add in our spring onion. You can use any of the vegetables. We're using spring onion because it gives a nice vibrant colour and a nice crunchy taste as well. So then we'll just cook this for around 1 minute. So after we've let it cook, we're just going to take it out again and we'll flip it over. You can add in some more spring onion or some more any other vegetables that you're using. We'll just let it cook for a couple more seconds. Add in our cheese. And then we can start assembling. Then once it's cooked, we're just going to assemble our muffin like this again, just like we did for the cheese muffin. Then it's time for plating! I hope you've enjoyed this simple, easy but tasty recipe. If you like this video, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!